A literature review doesn't have to feel like drowning in endless research papers. It's actually your shortcut to sounding like an expert. Think of it as joining an ongoing conversation rather than starting from scratch. Every topic already has voices, arguments, and discoveries, and your job is to listen, understand, and then add your own perspective. Start by asking a simple question. What has already been said about my topic? Once you know that, you're no longer guessing, you're building on a foundation. Begin with smart searching. Instead of randomly opening articles, use focused keywords and reliable academic sources like journals, Google Scholar, or institutional databases. Don't just collect papers, filter them. Look for the most recent studies, highly cited works, and those directly connected to your research question. Imagine you're curating a playlist. Every paper you choose should earn its place. Now comes the part most people get wrong. Reading everything word for word. You don't need to. Scan strategically. Read abstracts first, then jump to results and conclusions. Ask yourself, what was the goal? What did they find? Why does it matter? Take notes, but not in paragraphs, in ideas. Group similar findings together. When multiple authors say the same thing, that's a trend. When they disagree, that's a gap. And gaps are where your research becomes valuable. Instead of summarizing one paper after another like a list, shift your mindset to storytelling. Organize your review by themes, not by authors. For example, if you're studying social media impact, one theme could be mental health, another could be productivity, and another could be communication patterns. Under each theme, weave different studies together as if they're supporting characters in the same narrative. This instantly makes your literature review more engaging and professional. Another powerful trick is to compare and contrast. Don't just say what studies found, show how they connect or conflict. Use phrases like similarly, in contrast, or building on this idea. This shows critical thinking, which is exactly what reviewers and professors look for. You're not just reporting information, you're analyzing it. And don't forget synthesis, the real secret sauce. After discussing multiple studies, pause and explain what it all means collectively. Are researchers leaning in one direction? Is there confusion or lack of evidence? This is your chance to highlight what's missing and subtly introduce why your research matters. Finally, keep your writing clear and flowing. Avoid jargon overload. Imagine you're explaining complex ideas in a simple, confident voice. A great literature review doesn't just inform, it guides the reader smoothly from what is known to what still needs to be discovered. So, instead of fearing the literature review, see it as your research superpower. It saves you time, sharpens your thinking, and positions you as someone who truly understands the field. Once you master this, you're no longer just doing research, you're contributing to knowledge.